get wish.
Say
You get wish. Wish that is blood body.
Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now record an empty background for up to 5 or 6 seconds. You get my point. Then you raise your leg and try to cut it like what you see me do on screen. And you can check if your leg has fallen, something like that. You get my point. You do some gestures like this. When you are done with that, you save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. You get my point. So now on Capcut, click on new project. You understand? Bring the video you just recorded to Capcut. So now you know we recorded an empty background, but we have to split that empty background. So you tap on the layer, tap on split. Now go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay. Bring it to the beginning of the video. Now tap on that empty background. Go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Let's go. Tap on freeze. At the end of the freeze layer, just tap on it, drag it to extend the duration of the video. Just drag it to the end of the video. You get my point. So now go back to the beginning of the video. Now we want to set how we want the video to start. So I want the video to start somewhere here. Understand? So depending on how you want your own to start. So I would just tap on the second layer. Now we have 2 layers. So I'll tap on the second layer. Now tap on split and then delete the beginning of the video. Guys, you get my point. So now you drag this one to the beginning of the video. So this is how the video is going to start. You get my point. So we will do the same thing at the end of the video. We'll have to tap on the layer where we want the video to end. Understand? We'll tap on it. We'll tap on split and then delete the ending part of the video, as that's how we want the video to end. You get my point. So guys, what you do next, you come back to the beginning of the video. Now tap on the second layer. Go and look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on auto removal. You get my point. So allow it to remove completely. Please take your time. Allow it to remove completely. You get my point. So guys, please like this video so YouTube will distribute it to many other people so they can learn also. You get my point. Comment. Just comment. Understand? So now that the background is removed completely, tap on this OK icon. Let's go. So guys, please pay attention from here. You get my point. So now this point where I want to cut my leg, immediately my hand touches my leg and passes away. This particular point, you tap on this layer. Now tap on this navigation button. You tap on the layer so you can have the split option. So now click on split. Immediately you just cut your leg. Tap on split. You split the layer. Now what you will do next is for you to go to mask. So let's go to mask. Now click on mask. Click on rectangle. Click on rectangle. Click on rectangle, bro. So look at it here. Now click on invert. You get my point. So look at it here. You can now from this place adjust it to so it will hide that particular point, that particular place you cut your leg. It will not show. Just hide it. So at the beginning of this layer you just split it, you add keyframe. You move the video a bit. You know my leg wasn't steady, and I'm not sure you'll be able to stand with your leg being steady. So you add keyframe. You move the mask option, the mask layer. Just move it to make sure you try to align it with the particular place you cut. Understand? Just like what I'm doing here. I don't know if you get my point, but if you get my point, just let me know you get my point. Understand? So that's how you are going to do till the end of the video. Alright guys, when you are done with everything, what we do next is to come back to this particular point where you split it. This is where we want to add the green screen effect. So click on this navigation button, click on add overlay. Now bring your green screen effects here. Understand? So now go and look for remove BG. Tap on it, tap on chroma key. Now hover the circle to where it shows green. You have something like this. So increase the intensity to 100, or okay, leave it at 70. You get my point. Now the shadow at 50. So you are good to go. So what you do next is for you to set it immediately when your hand leaves your leg, like after cutting your leg. You make sure it aligns right there. You get my point. So as you know, your leg cannot be steady now, so you add keyframe at the beginning of this particular layer, the green screen layer. So you move the video a bit, then you add another keyframe so that your leg will be going alongside with the green screen effect. You get my point. So guys, if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn about video editing, guys, chat me on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. There you will learn everything from scratch. You get my point. I'll also teach you how to get green screen effects for free. You get my point. But guys, please take notes. Chat me on WhatsApp. I charge, though it's not much. Understand, it's affordable. Also, please don't request for my account details if you're not ready to make payments. Please, please, please. You get my point. Alright, when you are done with all this, you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point. So guys, the next thing we will have to do is to put the leg on the ground. You get my point. So let's go. Alright, now on Capcut, click on new project. Import the first video you recorded without editing. Bring it to Capcut. Now tap on it. We need that empty space. Go and look for overlay. After splitting it, now bring it to the beginning of the video. You did this, so you follow the same procedure. Understand? So you tap on this, the empty background. Go and look for freeze. Click on the freeze layer. Now expand it, tap on it and drag it to the, make sure it gets to the end of the video. And now come back home, and then at this point we are looking for where this particular video will start. Understand? But we are going to start it immediately after you cut your leg, like after your hand passes your leg, somewhere here. So you are going to tap on it, tap on the layer, tap on split. Now delete the beginning of the video. So from here, I think you should pay attention. Now drag it to the beginning of the video, somewhere, something like this. So this is how it's going to be. So now you have to tap on the second layer. Now go and look for remove BG. Click on it, tap on auto removal. You get my point. Allow it to remove completely. Guys, I'm trying to be fast, so I don't want the video to be longer. Understand? So you can tap on OK. Alright guys, so let's go. So now what you do here is you have to go to mask. Go to mask, click on mask. Now click on rectangle. Now you don't need to click invert, just bring it to where the leg is, so it will have only the leg. Understand? It will reveal only the leg. Just set it at that. Try to imagine the particular spot you cut. Just set it there. You don't need to play with the feather icon or do anything. When you are done with that one, you click on this OK icon. That's just it. You get my point, guys? So guys, the next thing for you to do is to make a screenshot of this leg. Understand? Screenshot it. Now you work on the screenshot. Now you have to crop it. Just crop it like what you see me do on screen. Just crop it, crop the shit, bro. I hope you are paying attention, you are learning, you are liking this video. When you are done with the cropping, you can now save it, save the picture to your gallery. So guys, you don't even need to save this video because all we needed is the picture and we've gotten it. You get my point? So you can now click on this X icon at the top left corner of your screen. So now click on new project. Click on new project. We are on Capcut. Please pay attention so you will not make mistake. Import the video you edited, the one you cut your leg. Now go to that particular point where your leg is cut off. Now tap on it. tap on that particular, pause the video there. Now click on overlay, click on add overlay, bring the picture, go to the picture and bring the picture of your leg. Just bring it to Capcut. So you have something, you can drag it to the end of the video, understand? So when you are done with that one, what you need to do next is place 2 fingers on your screen. Now drag it to fit to screen. You get my point? Now go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. See, you have something like this. You can now tap OK, tap on the OK icon from here. So guys, this is where you have to do the alignment, so that it will be when once you cut your leg, your hand leaves your leg, the leg will fall. So I noticed that the drum was going alongside with my leg, so I had to click on remove BG. You get my point? Now click on custom removal, click on erase. So I will only erase the drum, understand? I only erase the drum so that I can have only my leg on the screen. So if you have issues like this, maybe you are standing near something and that thing joined with part of your body, you can do like this to erase it. You get my point? If you're my student, if you join my WhatsApp, if you join me on my WhatsApp, you will know all these things. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you tap on OK. Let's go. Guys, after aligning it, immediately my hand leaves my leg. That's where you have to add keyframe at the beginning of the second layer. You get my point? So you bring the leg down, understand? Just bring it down a little to this point. So you keep on bringing it down and then moving the video a bit. Keyframe will be added automatically. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Guys, please like and share this video. Make sure you comment. So now go and look for transform. Click on transform, click on rotate, understand? So you click on rotate. This is where you will be able to turn the leg and place it this way, understand? So when you align it from here, that is, it means you are good to go. So if you are able to do to this level, to edit to this level, meaning you are a pro already now. You get my point? You are a pro already. All I need you to do for me is just to like this video, share this video, comment, subscribe to this channel, share this video on your social media platform. You know we need to grow. Yeah, we need to grow, bro. So from here you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point?